guys, so I made such a rookie mistake and I totally forgot to film an intro. So I'm actually getting home from an event right now, and when I was ready to upload, I realized I still didn't have an intro. So if you're new, obviously you're new, this is my first video. So welcome to my channel. My name's Pia. If you're coming from my Instagram, hi. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're back, I never go without this, and this is the It Cosmetics CC cream. I am in the shade medium tan. I will take it and just...
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is...
Don't forget to bring it down to your neck. So that's that for my base. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I just use my finger so no product goes to waste. And just get it in basically everywhere.
You got that something that can't be...
Yeah, that's about good. Now I'm gonna take the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate. So when I contour, if you watched my GTV video, nothing has changed. I still contour in the same places that I want to be extra defined. Now I'm going to take this Sephora Pro Mini Flawless Airbrush. This comes in a full size, but I just got this as a VIB like reward. And I'm gonna start off by blending the contour.
Just hang with you 'cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause I'm the only one who can.
And I do use the same brush for the concealer and the contour. Like, I just find that it works the best. It blends everything out seamlessly. And it's just easier, like when you're in a rush. I just feel like you don't have time to be switching to a million different brushes. I like to let this concealer like sit under my eyes a little bit.
I don't need your dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes. No, I don't need your pretty smile.
Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Nudestix Nudies Matte. This is in the shade Sunkissed. If you don't want to spend this much money on a blush, which is totally understandable, go back to my IGTV, you'll see the blush combo that I put there, and up until like 3 days ago, I was still using that. So this is, anyways, this is Sunkissed. What I like to do is just get it on my finger. I don't like putting it directly onto my face because I tried that in the beginning and my foundation just got on it and it looked so gross.
Your pretty smile. I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind.
It definitely is worth it in my opinion. Like, I just think it looks so pretty. It blends so seamlessly into the skin. I'm gonna go back into the same brush and I'm going to
Yeah, that's all I really need.
tap the concealer.
The things you're saying, it blows my mind.
This is what I use for my under eyes only. I don't like it all over my face because, as you can see, I'm super tan. The Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder. And I'm just going to take that and just literally only put it under my eyes. Actually, I lied. I like to put it over my lips too. And just like where I already concealed is where I like to put this, basically. I lied, I don't just put this under my eyes, I kind of put it everywhere. Okay, now I'm going to go in with bronzer. My favorite bronzer of all time is Hoola by Benefit. This one is so good. So I use it with the Bare Minerals. This is just a big, tapered, fluffy brush. Bronze my face up. I like to put it like just like pretty much just across my cheeks. And then
it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brand.
Just do that. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a Sephora. This is the Pro Airbrush Concealer. Sephora really does have great brushes. And then this is how I do my nose contour.
Yeah, what you got is deep.
I basically just follow the natural shadow of my nose, but obviously make it a little bit slimmer. And I always make it touch like my eyebrow. And that is how I do my nose contour. I like doing it this way. I feel like it works the best. Now I'm moving on to blush. I'm going to use this Laura Mercier blush in the shade Rose. And it's super pretty, or it's actually rosé, sorry. It has an accent mark. I will then go into my like more blinding highlight. This is actually I do this every time. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. I have used this for literally years. And I'm going to apply it with a Smashbox fan brush. God, they just hang with you 'cause you earn a lot. Then I dip my finger in there, go on my nose, and then just go in my inner tear duct. Okay, so that is the highlighter done. And now I'm going to go into my eyebrows. Just take a spoolie. This one is literally like a free one that I got from, I think, from a gift bag. And take your eyebrow brush. This eyebrow brush is, I feel like, what makes my eyebrows look good. And this is the Anastasia eyebrow brush, like her signature, I don't know, angled one. And it is so good. Okay. I also use the Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in the shade medium brown. Okay, so my camera died, but I am gonna do the other eyebrow. I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile. I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind. So I take a flat shader brush like this, go back into my Tarte Shape tape, and then just define my eye. Yeah, that's all I really need. And now I'm just gonna set it with a tinted brow gel. This is the Anastasia Brunette. And it is a little bit lighter than my actual hair, but I kind of like that. I feel like it kind of makes it look a little bit more subtle. And because I have so many highlights in my hair, I went a little darker, as you guys can tell. I just feel like it really evens everything out, so it's totally fine. I like using that. And then now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. So I always start off with this Marc Jacobs Undercover. I'm just gonna put that on my eyes. And then after I do that, I'm gonna go back in with the Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and just put it into my crease. I don't need your hang-arounds. So this I like to use as my transition shade. I feel like it works really well. So now I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty. This is the Warm Brown Obsessions. I love this palette. I feel like it has every color that you could ever need. I love a lot of like more orange undertones. I feel like it suits my skin tone really well, and it kind of makes my brown eyes pop a little bit. So I like to mix these three colors with another fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply that over where I put the bronzer. Now I'm going to take another blending brush. This one is Iconic, and I'm going to mix this color right here with this dark brown color right here. And I literally just tap so lightly. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. And then just kind of blend it into the rest. And then I will take a fluffy shader brush like this. This one's pretty big, and I will take this white shade and just put that on my lid. Now I'm gonna go back with a little tapered pencil brush, go back into this dark brown color right here, and then this color right here, and just go under my eyes. Okay, so that is pretty much my eyeshadow done. After I do that, I like to go in with, don't mind the way it looks, but I promise it works so well. This is the Chanel Crayon Eye Kohl. I have had this for so long. I don't even know how long. This is in the shade 62, and I've been using this since probably 6th grade. And I love this. It's like a plummy brown shade and it's so perfect. And it glides on.
You show me your way, and I know.
I kind of like to just like do the tiniest little wing at the end, just to kind of lift my eye a little. And then that is the eyes done. So depending on what I'm doing for the day, where I'm going, I will either use my mascara. My favorite one is Hypnose Drama, or I'll put on some falsies. So I think for today, I'm actually gonna put on some falsies. So now that I've applied my lashes, I am now going to move on to my lips. So my signature lips that I always have on is Sephora's Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Knock on Wood.
Match for you. No, I'm no match for you.
And then I'll go in with the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nathan. I love this. Okay. And then the last thing I'm going to do is apply this Lip Lift Velvet Gloss Plumper by the brand called Mirenes in the shade 73 Romance. I just apply it like that, and then I am done. I set with Morphe setting spray. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the makeup that I wear whenever I'm shooting, especially with the lashes on. I don't wear lashes every day. Actually, if I'm not shooting or if I'm not going anywhere, like I'm just working from home, which is most of the week, I don't even put makeup on, but this is what I do otherwise. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm so sorry this video took me so long to post. I really don't have any other excuses other than editing videos is so hard, and I just really was not having it. That's literally my only excuse. But it's not an excuse. I want to post videos on here more often, but let me know what you guys want to see. What else do YouTubers say? Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Which is the Super Goop. One second. Okay, and that is done. Oh my god, I just dropped the bronzer. Them a little while ago, probably, well, the same time. What?